a practical guide on how to use osoji, alligator pepper, for affirmations and blessings. The osoji referred to in this context is the fruit known as alligator pepper, not the peanut butter dip or kwose, which some people, like myself, eat with garden eggs. Affirmations and declarations are positive statements or phrases we repeat to ourselves to challenge and eliminate negative thoughts or unhelpful mental programs which have the ability to hold us back. Affirmations are aimed to affect the conscious and subconscious mind. They can help us begin to act or think in ways that align with our own ideals or goals. Affirmations and declarations work more effectively when they are repeated daily and backed by true belief. Osoji acts as an amplifier when it is used for affirmations and declarations. It increases the amplitude, power, and energetic vibrations of the words applied to its potency. Osoji anagi eje ije ifele, yana mmụọ na mmadụ na-adị mma. This is an Igbo saying that reminds us that the alligator pepper does not go on any message in vain, because it is always at peace with all natural forces. Now, 8 steps to apply when using osoji for affirmations. Overall, take 7 seeds of osoji. Put them in your mouth, then speak positivity and greatness over your day. Step 1. Give thanks to the divine, your creator, your chi, your izumezu, the spirit guides. Step 2. Acknowledge the divinity of the seeds. Greet or bless the chi, the life force within the osoji you're about to use. Step 3. Typically, 7 seeds of osoji is used when spiritual hygiene has already been taken into consideration. If it has not, then 3 seeds or less than 7 would suffice. Step 4. Be barefoot. Stay grounded. Step 5. Take the seeds into your mouth and begin to make your declarations or affirmations. Step 6. State your positive affirmations and declarations out audibly. Well, there's no need to shout and disturb your neighbors. The universe and your chi can hear you. Step 7. After making your declarations or affirmations, chew and spit the seeds out 4 times into the open air, calling on the 4 market days: Eke, Urie, Afo, Nkwo, to help you manifest your wishes, or chew and swallow the seeds, asking your chi to help you bring it to fruition. Your approach here depends on what you feel inclined to do in the moment. And step 8, conclude your process with Ise, so shall it be. It is so, or its equivalent. It should go without saying, still, please do not use this process for curses or malevolent intentions. You will only end up causing harm to yourself. If you decide to apply the process in the constructive way in which it should be used, then take it seriously. Have faith in what you have set out to achieve. There's always divine power laying dormant in nature, waiting for those who have the foresight to put them to use. Everything that moves for us is moved by faith. As always, feel free to leave your questions or remarks in the comment section below. Yagazie. Thank you for listening. If this teaching sparked a thought or made you feel something, I'd love to hear it. Drop your comments below. If you enjoyed this, feel free to share it to someone who you think will appreciate it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss new releases. You can also check out the full written piece on the website linked in the description below. Until next time, Yagazie.